If your emails look like Canva art projects, you're losing money. A high converting layout is simple, clear, and easy to build. In this guide, I'm going to show you the exact design templates I've used to generate over 20 million in email revenue for our D2C clients without fancy graphics or bloated HTML. Just clean structure, psychological flows, and cash in hand results.
Most emails are built to look pretty but not to convert, but every design choice, font, size, image placement, button spacing impacts how your reader flows through the message. A broken layout confuses people, a frictionless one guides them to click. Good email design isn't decoration, it's a direct response asset. The importance of good email design. So good email design is critical because first impression matters. A well-designed email creates a positive first impression, building trust and credibility with your audience. It enhances readability. Clear and structured designs improves readability, making it easier for recipients to understand your message. It's also brand consistency. Consistent design across all emails reinforces your brand identity to help build recognition and loyalty. And remember, your email designs can be the difference between an email that gets open or the ones that get ignored. Here's what's killing your click-through rate. Messy image and text ratios, unclear CTAs, too many colors, mobile layout that breaks, and if you're seeing low CTR despite solid copy, it's probably your structure. One bad email doesn't hurt, but 50, that's thousands or millions in lost sales. Poor design emails can lead to high bounce rates, low click-through rates, and negative brand perception. Here's the tech stack you need to design emails that actually convert, not just look good in your inbox. Email inspiration. So finding inspiration is critical for creating and engaging fresh email designs. Look at what others are doing to spark new ideas and help you stay ahead of the trend. So first, you want to explore any email galleries. Use platforms like Really Good Emails, Email Love, or Pinterest to explore a variety of email designs from different brands and industry. Then you can also sign up for newsletters. So something that I like to do is to just make an email and then sign up to a bunch of brands that you like to see their emails. And lastly, you want to save those examples. So create a folder or board to save email designs that you find inspiring or effective for future references. And then again, just talking about the competitor catch-all email. To create something like this, just spin up a dedicated Gmail and sign up for every major brand's newsletter. Then run the inbox through something like Mailstorm to sort by sender and frequency. That will give you the full map of their strategy. And then when it comes to designing your actual email, our recommendation 100% is Figma. This is perfect for collaborating with designers and clients. You can also prototype, test, and hand off clean components. Next, we have Canva. They have quick templates, branded assets, easy for non-designers, and it's great for marketing teams. And then finally, you can use Photoshop. So this is for more advanced design work, especially if you need to layer any graphics, mockups, or precise edits. Every beautiful email fails if they load slow. We keep things light here. So the first thing I want to do is use tiny PNG. So use this tool to compress images before uploading to Klaviyo. So there's no pixel loss and it's faster loading time. For any GIF creations, we can use Giphy for fast GIFs and Photoshop if we want any brand specific animations. GIFs drive attention to key call to actions or product features. Email design checker. So you don't want a killer email looking broken on Outlook. This is why we always test with something like email on asset. It's a great option for QA and debugging layout inconsistencies across Gmail, Windows, Outlook, email service providers. Lastly, we want to monitor our competitors. We want to track what others are doing in this space. So something I like to use is Outletter. So this helps you track competitors' newsletter over time and then alerts you on major shifts or new campaigns. So that's pretty much it for the full stack. These tools will help you move fast and design emails that load clean and will always stay one step ahead of what everyone else is doing.
If you want to copy this layout into your Klaviyo account today, plus get 3 plug-and-play flows using this structure, just grab the free email design kit below. These have generate millions combined, yours for free. And if you want us to rebuild your email engine from scratch, using the exact framework, copy, design, automation, we'll do it for you. Book a strategy call with us and let's turn your email into a #1 profit center. This layout prints money. It's simple, battle tested, and easy to clone. So stop guessing, start converting, and let email do the heavy lifting.